Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing exercise 5.2. I hope you all have completed exercise 5.1. Now in 5.2 we are going to learn or we are going to understand the concept of like and unlike terms. Very easy concept this is. In this you should know what are like and what are unlike terms. In the like terms, what you are going to see is the terms which are going to have the same variables raised to the same power. Now what is the meaning of this is, just look at this example. 7a square b square minus 18b square a square. Now according to the statement, what it is saying is they should have the same variables, right? Let us check whether they are having the same variables or not. This is a, here is a square, a and a. I'm only checking the variables first, powers afterwards. A, it is there. Then b and b, it is also there. So same variables are there. Now these variables should have the same power. That means raised to the power has to be same. If this is a square, then here is also a square. If this is b square, then this should also be b square. If it would have been 7a square b square and 7a square b, it would have been different. Okay, this would have come out to be unlike terms. So what are like terms? Like terms are, you have to check the variables. Variables should be same and those variables should have the same powers, right? Now for example, 6xy, xy it is there. Same it has to be there. If here is x, here should be x. Here is y, here should be y. Now check the powers. Here x to the power 1. If nothing is there, that means the power is given 1. Nothing is there, power is given 1. X to the power 1, x to the power 1. Y to the power 1, y to the power 1. So that means they are going to be like. Now there is no hard and fast rule that these two powers have to be same. This question can come like this also. I can write as 16a cube b square, right? These powers can be different, or minus 75b square a cube. Now a, b, b, right? So variables are same both the sides. A to the power 3, a to the power 3. Powers and powers are same with the variables. b square, 2 and 2, that means this is also same. It does not matter whatever is your numerical coefficient. We are not bothered about this. We just have to see the variables and the powers of the variables. These two things you have to see. If they are same, then that means they are like, otherwise they are unlike. Now on the basis of this, let's move to the exercise 5.2. We are having 12 questions. You just have to see the powers and you just have to write whether they are like or unlike. x square, variables are same, powers are also same, so that is going to be like. Next, 7ab minus 3b square. Now these are two different terms. Here ab is there and here b square is there. No variable is same, so that means it is unlike. xy square. So since the variables and the power of these variables are also same in both the terms, so this is going to be like. xy square, so this is unlike. Now here is x to the power 1, here is y to the power 1, but here is y to the power 2. Even if the single variable is not same, the complete term will become unlike term. Complete pair of these terms will become unlike. p square minus p square, like, because p to the power positive 2, p to the power positive 2. So since the power is positive 2, so that means they are like. Don't get confused with this minus, because this minus p square means minus 1 into p square, right? So p square and p square. P variable is there, here also p variable is there, power is 2, so that means it is like. Next, xy square, unlike, because y to the power 1 is there and here y to the power 2 is there. So the variables are same, but the powers of the variables are different. So this is unlike. Next, we are going to move to is 3y square, 26y square. Here is also y square, here is also y square. Variables are same, powers are same, so that means like. x square y, x y square. So this is unlike, because here x is to the power 2, x to the power 1. See, you can see the difference in the powers of the same variable, so that means it is going to be unlike. Similarly, last 4 questions you are going to do by yourself. Last question I will explain you. See, in this variable is a, here no a is there. Variables are here different, variables here are different. Even if the variables are different, that is going to be unlike. Okay, variables have to be same both the sides. Here variables are not same, so this is unlike. Okay, so this is exercise 5.2. Please do this complete exercise 5.2 in your notebooks. Thank you.